Madam Chairwoman and honorable members of the board, good morning and welcome to Southern University's future. As you know, this year we were blessed to celebrate 100 years of excellence, pride, and tradition during our centennial celebration. Today, I am honored to share the progress we have achieved to ensure the longevity of the Jaguar Nation for years to come. Now, more than ever, our university community understands that recruitment and retention are everybody's business. Since being entrusted with these critical responsibilities, our division has taken Southern University brand across the country with the help of our local partners to recruit our next cohort of diverse, college-ready youth to join us here on the Bluff. I am proud of our accomplishments this far, yet optimistic about the opportunities which lie before us. It is through our hard work that young men and women from Bogalusa to Baltimore, from Maringouin to Miami, from Alexandria to Atlanta, and from St. Francisville to San Francisco will have access to the unique, high-quality educational experience that only Southern University can provide. Earlier this fall, we launched the Pathway to Prominence Tour, an engaging regional recruitment tour designed to expose high school students, counselors, and teachers to the energy and opportunity which abound in the heart of the Jaguar Nation. Mr. Anthony Jackson, the Director of the Office of Admissions and Recruitment, and his team, in partnership with the Student Government Association, the Office of Student Life, the Human Jukebox, the Alumni Federation, and countless others, have led this tour to high schools in East Baton Rouge, Tangier Hope, and Calcasieu parishes, as well as Houston, Texas, and Huntsville, Alabama. In the coming weeks, the tour is headed to a school near you. The Pathway to Prominence Tour and so many of our initiatives geared toward increasing student retention and recruitment would not be possible without the assistance and encouragement that we receive from our valued supporters. On behalf of our division, I would sincerely like to thank board members Ann Smith and Raymond Fondale for their support and participation in this tour. They joined us in Tangier and Calcasieu parishes and were indispensable components of our success while in those areas. I would like to thank Acting Chancellor Flanders McClinton for providing us with the resources to turn this idea into a reality and supporting this vision. We have already hired one additional recruiter and identified 2 others who are currently in the employment pipeline. Also, 2 new admissions counselors will be joining our dynamic team before the end of this semester. I am also thankful for the guidance and support of the National Alumni Federation extended by their dedicated president, Attorney Preston Castile. And finally, I would like to thank Mr. Anthony Jackson for his visionary leadership to the Office of Admissions and Recruitment. During his brief tenure as director, he has introduced an air of innovation and commitment, which I am confident will spur immediate results for our illustrious institution. If Southern University is to reestablish its preeminence as a leading national higher education institution, recruitment must truly be everybody's business. Each student that we identify, recruit, and retain through our graduation strengthens the university's financial footing, enlarges our institutional footprint throughout this nation, and contributes to the dynamic culture and rich tradition that we have offered since 1880. Because of the hard work of so many and your unconditional confidence in our vision, we are one step further along the pathway to prominence.